Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have the stable internet connection, but you cannot browse any website or use your Google Play Store or any other online services on your Realme GT Neo 3. So now let's open a Google Play Store and try downloading any app. For example, this one. Well, when we click on install, it changes to pending and it stayed that way forever. So let's cancel it. Now we have Google Chrome as well, which I'm going to show you. So here's our website. Let's reload it, and there's error. So to fix that, let's open our settings. From here, scroll all the way down and find System Settings. Click on it, then click on the date and time, and here enable to set time automatically. Now your time or date should change to what it is right now. And if we open our Google Play Store and try downloading the same app, it should work without any problem. If it does, you might need to reload the Google Play Store, so simply close and reopen it. Now let's try installing it, and it instantly started downloading. There's also Google Chrome, which had a problem. Now let's reload the page, and there's no problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.